All right, y'all, we got another one of them taste tests again today. And today's taste test is a goodie and a oldie, but it's a newie from this company. And it is a Coca Cola, the Dreamworld flavor. Ooh, look at that. It's still all nice and slushy up there at the top because I had it in the freezer. All right. Mr. Blake, he wrote me today, said he tried that Dreamworld. Oh, no, not today. It was yesterday he wrote me. Said he tried that Dreamworld, said it was good. So I said, all right, let me go on out here and see if I can find it somewhere. And I found it. Not like Starlight, that was taking me forever to find. But now I got the Dreamworld, and here we go. We're going to give it a shot. Yeah, hear that? Pop it open. Give the old Blake sniff test. Ooh, smells very fruity. He told me it was like a peach or a mango. But yeah, this is pretty citrusy. So let's try it. That is pretty tasty. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's definitely got some fruity flavors to it. So, yeah, as far as the taste test goes, dun, 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 we're going to give that Coca Cola Dreamworld thumbs up. Oh, so I'm going to put that cap back on it right there real quick. Excuse me. And then I'm going to make a little adjustment right quick. And then with that Dreamworld, I'm probably going to add some of this. Some of that Bacardi rum. Add a little rum to that. That sounds pretty good right about now. Go get me some ice cubes. Go get me a little glass. Give me about that much Coke. Give me about that much rum. Yeah, we going to be all good after that. All right, y'all. That's a thumbs up on the Dreamworld Coke taste test. All right, y'all take it easy. See you later.